Alright, solving multi-step inequalities. Solving multi-step inequalities is not much different than the stuff I've shown you before. All the same rules apply, but let's look at a problem. Let's say we have 3 times x minus 4 greater than 24. There's multiple ways of solving the problem, but the first thing that you probably want to do is distribute the 3. So we get 3x minus 12 greater than 24. Okay, now we need to work with the thing that's furthest away from our variable. Our variable's there. So we need to work with the thing furthest away. That would be the negative 12. So if I'm subtracting 12, the opposite of subtracting 12 is adding 12. 3x greater than 36. Now once I'm here, divide both sides by 3x and 12. Remember, I'm dividing by a positive, so I don't flip my sign. The only time you flip a sign is if it's dividing by a negative. Okay, so that's an example of a complex inequality that you can solve, or a multiple step inequality. One more example. This one has a variable on both sides, but again, we know how to deal with this. Take the 3, distribute it. So you get 14 plus 10y greater than or equal to 3y plus 42. Slide that over so you can see it. All right. Now, just like solving a regular equation, get all your variables on one side, get all your numbers on the other. So I'm going to subtract 3y. Okay? So now I have 14 plus 7y greater than or equal to 42. Now I need to get rid of the 14, so I'm going to subtract the 14 from both sides. Remember, do the opposite. 7y greater than or equal to 28. Now I have to get rid of the 7, so I divide by 7 on both sides. Y greater than or equal to 4. Again, do not flip the sign because we didn't divide by a negative. Okay, so 2 pretty simple problems to go by. There's a couple of problems in here that are word problems. With the word problems, look for the word per. That's going to mean it's happening multiple times. So this one goes with the variable. So whatever the word they're using with the per means it's going to go with the variable. So if they're saying 20 miles per hour,